To Booney H here with some information on how to change your battery in the key fob. This particular key fob, it's a 4-button key fob. It's to a 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe, and this key fob is also used on some Kia models as well. And so to start off, what you have to do is there's a little button, silver button right here. You will hit that button to remove the key. You can use this as a valet key. It's like an emergency key once the battery dies. All right. And you're gonna need a screwdriver, a particularly nice size wide screwdriver, as there is a portion up in here that you're going to need to stick the blade in. And if you get a small screwdriver, a small head screwdriver, what it particularly does, it will tear the plastic inside of here. So you want to make sure you get a nice wide blade screwdriver. And once you put it in, you're going to turn, you're going to hear a snap. All right. Once you hear that snap, you'll see it separates it on the side. And what you can do, you can just take the screwdriver and just slide it down. And completely loosen it up. And you don't want to stick the blade in there too far and mess up the components inside. Once you mess up these components, your key fob won't work. All right, so we'll set this part aside. And here's your battery right here. You're gonna remove your battery. See, the blade is a little too thick. All right, the battery, it's a 2032. So here's the new battery, 2032. And as you'll notice, there's a plus. You want to put the plus face down on the symbol that's shown. All right. Once you got the battery in, you can merge the two pieces together. And once you hear that snap all the way around, it's good and sealed. And you can replace your valet key or emergency key. And that's it. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe.